ravishing witches, spooky spirits, screams, howls, and scary spiders galore all await you in our Halloween Pranks episode special. I've been waiting for this day all year, scheming, plotting, and today, nothing's gonna stop me. I'll be giving my best friend a very special morning surprise. This Halloween will be one she'll never forget. Ooh, it's like these markers were just waiting for their minute in the spotlight. Just a couple of basic shapes, and we no longer have a balloon, but the head of an evil clown. Don't worry if you can't really draw. All clowns come out looking evil. I'm super excited. Too bad I won't be there to see my little lamb wake up and succumb to soul-crushing fear and dreadful horror. Well, at least she won't get far, because I'm using this double-sided tape on her slippers. But if she does manage to get away, there'll be another surprise waiting. Shh. Good morning, girlfriend. Oh God! What is that? Ouch! That really hurts! I see how it is. Is that really all you've got? Just gonna wash my hands. Which you don't even know what I'm capable of. I sure hope this is your favorite soft towel. Soon, you'll be holding a wake in its memory. And that's not all. Unscrew the shower head. Use a syringe to inject the hose with some paint. And the wait begins. Something wrong? Ooh, a rubber spider. That'll come in handy. Judging by your face, you're a big fan. Maybe you've already come up with a name for him. Alright, what's next? Use that double-sided tape to stick the spider in the lampshade. Careful not to touch the bulb. Put the lamp back, and let's summon his annoying brothers and sisters. Place them on the bed of your beloved friend. Cover him up. Time to wait for those screams. Surprise! That wasn't even scary. I'll just get rid of these creeps and float off to dreamland. Oh, she'll dream of something extra special tonight. So far, we've got a palm and some lipstick. Nothing scary, right? Just wait, though. Add some glue. Paint the white parts red. Add some dark paint or makeup to give it some depth. And add some Vaseline on top for that extra realism. Scared yet? Let's see. Hi, ladies. How about a high five? It worked! Plain old cupcakes. Add some toothpaste, and we'll be in business. nothing wrong with reverting to the tried and true. Use toothpaste instead of frosting and lovingly decorate the plate with some rainbow sprinkles. I'm here! Take a bite. Gee, that tastes… What is that? You know, your muffins are a little off. You try them. Party's in full swing, and look at that beauty dancing all alone. Why don't you go over and give her a treat? Hey, Curly, wanna play? Oh, come on. Your health. There's a lot of ways to freak someone out tonight. Like using food, for example. To us, darling. Wait, I've got a surprise for you. Close your eyes, sweetie pie. Can you guess what this is? Something cold, slimy. I can't see. They see you, though. Happy Halloween, darling. Who put that snake in the sink? The more creative you are, the better your prank. Like Brussels sprouts and Nutella. Can you really put them together? Why not? Stick it on a toothpick, dip it in some Nutella, and you've got yourself a delicious snack. I've missed you. Relax, it's just me. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is for you. Ooh, I've been craving something sweet. What is this stuff? That stuff? Forgot to tell you. It's called Bet You'll Spit Me Out. This prank is gonna take some effort, but it's totally worth it. Cut the screw in half, use a glue gun to get some glue on the foil, and put the screw back together. Use red nail polish to paint over the dry glue. And the extra foil's easy to get rid of. What have we got? Let's see. Looks like she's finally asleep. Let's do this. Glue. Actually press our screws into both sides of your wrist. Be careful not to wake Jessie. She'll be the one waking everyone up. What'll happen if you put some thick cream on your cheek? Stick a tissue on top. Go over it with some glitter lip gloss, red lipstick or theater makeup, and add some eyeshadow to the mix. A soul-wrenching burn. But that's nothing for us to be scared of. So who should be? Her, of course. Hey, girl! Enjoy the bloopers? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and happy Halloween!